Years ago, when we moved to Volcan, we were able to say we lived on a paved road off of a paved road. This was a big deal. A few years ago, that all changed when the government paved many of the side roads. Last year, they began repaving our road and making great improvements on the main road through town. A bike lane and walking path were added to the main road. There were also many parking spaces added to both sides of the road. Another improvement was lighting and green spaces. Each part of the road has street lights and a small grassy area. Many trees and plants were also planted along the side. The improvements to the streets are noticeable by all. I read a review of Volcan recently that compared the quality and functionality of Volcan's main street to the Cinta Costera in Panama City. It is true. We all love the improvements to Main Street. Another fun thing that has been added are these family-sized bicycles that are available to rent. They have also had carts, scooters, and electric scooters for rent previously as well. On any given day, you will see many people utilizing the bike and walking paths. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and visit our website at www.corazondelcielo.com.